So guys, here I am going to discuss which subject we should take first for the revision purpose. So we have aircraft structure, we have aircraft propulsion, we have aerodynamics, we have flight mechanics as four core subjects, and after that we have rocket propulsion, and we have space dynamics, and then we have English, we have mathematics, which is engineering mathematics, and then we have aptitude. So actually this English and this aptitude, if you will consider as as a one thing, so you will say that general awareness or something, you can say, right? So how to revise, I mean which subject we should revise first, and how much revision is required for how which subject. It's like aircraft propulsion, how many times you should revise; aircraft structure, how many times you should revise, like that. So I'm going to explain subject wise revision plan. So in this subject wise revision plan, I will explain which subject you have to revise first, which subject you have to revise in the last, right? So, and one more thing, which subject how many times you should revise. It is a very good strategy. Now why I'm discussing all these things, because uh, we are about to finish our syllabus in our batches. So in my batch almost everything got over. Now only crash course is remaining, so that I will start in December month. Definitely this math, English and aptitude will run for the entire November month. So okay, so let's start. So subject wise revision plan with number of revisions. Okay, so you remember there is a Hindi song, very popular Hindi song, very old Hindi song from Bollywood, from some Bollywood movie. I don't remember the movie name. uh, just I'll try one line. mm, see man, I forgot the song itself. Just a minute. What was the song? हाँ, हम गा के सुनाते हैं, एक मिनट, एक लाइन गाएंगे बस, समझ जाओगे तुम उसमें क्या कहना चाहते हैं हम. अभी ना जाओ छोड़ कर के दिल अभी भरा नहीं, अभी ना जाओ छोड़ कर के दिल अभी भरा नहीं. I'm using this platform just for show off that I sing to. Actually, I see. The sense of the song is अभी ना जाओ छोड़कर दिल अभी भरा नहीं. It means what? Don't go now itself, because I'm not feeling like I have completed. Like दिल अभी भरा नहीं, I mean my heart is not completed yet, something like that. I'm not. Okay, I hope you understood. Means what? Every subject has its own demand for the revision. For example, flight mechanics alone needs two revisions. One time you have to learn the subject plus one revision plus one revision. Now flight mechanics has two revisions, so you can just make a chart like this: flight mechanics two revisions. Aerodynamics is very easy, but two revisions, because in aerodynamics you have two major portions to revise again and again. In that, two revisions are enough. So one revision is for special revisions I'm talking. Otherwise aerodynamics no need revision. In aerodynamics you have one chapter, potential flow. It needs two revision for sure, right? And you have the fluid mechanics basics of similarities, right? So in that also you need two revisions. So other chapters are pure theoretical, so there you don't need revision. So but overall I will take two revisions. If you go for propulsion is very easy subject, very easy subject, so you can again put this in two revision. If you feel that propulsion is tough subject, but there is no need for more than three revisions, three revisions are more than enough. So when I'm saying more than enough, so it means what? Really this subject does not need that much revision. Okay, now these three over, two revisions you should give to all these three. Now then go for aircraft structure. It needs four revisions, because first thing, the length of aircraft structure is very big. In this you have to cover your strength of material. For some students it is easy and good, for some people it is tough, right? And after that you have to go for the core of aircraft structure, and then you have to go for the vibrations, and then you have to go for some miscellaneous topics, right? In every chapter, in every subject we have some miscellaneous topics, like either flight mechanics or aerodynamics or propulsion. Okay, it depends on the expert who is giving you the coaching for that. So if you're watching my video for the very first time, you should know who am I. My name is Viru Vikash Kumar Shrivastav. Vikash Kumar Shrivastav. My students call me Viru sir. And I have qualified GATE Aerospace 5 times, and I'm teaching pilots from the last 4 years, and I'm also taking classes for IIT and NEET from last 15 years. And you can if you are interested to join my institute, then you can contact me on my personal WhatsApp. 91 is India code, 6380135260. This is my contact number. You should WhatsApp, and then we'll go for call if I'll feel better. So, and don't call or don't text me for a book suggestion or something else. If you want to join my institute, then only you should contact me. Now you see, otherwise you maintain everything on YouTube. Now you see guys, aircraft structure, 4 times revision. 4 times revision means 1 time you should study, then plus 4 extra times you should go for the revision. Okay, how you should go for the revision, and what are the topics you should revise in any subject. For that purpose already I have given you CBR. Okay, see, you go to description. In the description you will be having GATE guidance playlist. In that playlist you will be having best revision strategy video. Okay, that video you watch, there you'll understand this CBR concept. Okay, so in this video my job is to tell you that how many times you should revise the subject. So all the 4 subjects I have classified. Now come to rocket propulsion and space dynamics. Okay, rocket propulsion, only 1 revision is enough. Now in rocket propulsion you have some theories to remember, like propellants and all propellants, all types of fuels, and oxidizers and their content. All these things we have to keep in mind. And then space dynamics. So see, actually memory wise, if you are weak, like sometimes some students are there, they will memorize one phone number and they will never forget that phone number. And some students, like every day they will mug up the phone number, but they will forget the phone number. Some people, like, they don't even remember their parents' phone number. Okay, like I remember my father's phone number, but I don't remember my mom's phone number. It's like that. So and I my memory is very, very weak. Okay, I only remember aerospace subject concepts. Otherwise, mostly I think I used to. Okay, so in case of space dynamics, again you need only 1 revision, because it is also very, very small subject. So if you see revision wise, again I am summarizing. Aerodynamics, 2 revisions enough. Flight mechanics, 2 revisions enough. And flight mechanics you can just go for 1 more revision. I mean only 1 revision itself, because it is very easy subject. Okay, so 1 revision enough. Then for propulsion you go 2 to 3 revision based on student. And aircraft structure, 4 revisions are mandatory. Aircraft structure, 4 revisions are mandatory, because syllabus is very lengthy and content is huge. So 4 revisions from page 1 to the last page. Okay, or if you're not able to revise them, then go to Google Drive, and all the videos I have given you guys, right? So those videos you just watch on the fast mode, like into 2 speed. So quickly you can revise this. And when you are revising the video, that time you should keep your notes with you. So you watch your notes also, and you fast forward the video also, and you go for the very fast revision. Okay, so this revision and everything you should finish, like when you are revising everything. This revision, what I'm saying, number of revisions, this is from your side. Okay, like from my side already, like we'll finish everything by the end of November, and then we'll go for the crash course. So in the crash course already all the regular batch students or crash course batch students will come, and I will revise all those things from my side. So don't worry for that. This revision I'm talking from me, from your side. And if you are not able to revise everything on my given numbers, then actually it is not a good sign, because every it's like abhi na jao chhodkar dil abhi bhara nahi. It means everyone have their own desire. In same way, this subject, all these subjects are having their own thing, like, okay, at least revise me this much time, revise me this much times, these many times, like that. So clear? Now you go for math, English and aptitude. Now I will tell you, English is not the subject what you should prepare during GATE exam. English is the subject, like we study it because it is a language, man. It is a grammar loaded with so much lengthy concepts and so many contents. So English is like whatever you know till now. If you know grammatically something, that will help you. So English is something what you should not bother for to prepare during GATE exam. Like you should not touch English if you are if you have crossed July month or something. See, if you are in any institute, then no problem. Like if you are in my institute, then definitely I will teach the English. But technically I am saying English is not that kind of subject what you can learn now, and you can write that in the exam, because English is very different. So if you are very good in English from your 11th class, 12th class, or you have prepared English during your BTech course or something, that kind of English will help you. Right now, if you prepare English for 1, 2 or 3 months, this English will not help you. Okay. But see, as an institute, my work is to complete all the syllabus, so definitely I will teach you everything. Okay, now you go for I'm talking about the class. I'm not talking about on YouTube. Okay, on YouTube I'm not teaching English or something. Okay, now we go for aptitude. So see guys, aptitude is remaining. In this I'm talking the 10th class mathematics, what they will be asking, right? For example, any question may come from like equation. Any question may come from shapes like triangle, this thing, cone, and something like so, those things. So again, all these things first you should complete. If you are doing some self study, you take any book and you complete. What is the best way to complete them? You just go for mechanical, and you go for civil engineering, you go for aerospace engineering, and these 3 papers previous year 10th class mathematics, whatever they have asked, you complete that, and you also solve some related examples from R.S. Agrawal or some other book. Okay, related examples. Okay, for example, work and time question, distance and time question, or some kind of like manufacturing questions, date, calendar, these things you finish, percentage, and these things you finish, right? So these things anyway I will teach in my live class, and if you're watching me, if you're not my student, then you should complete somehow these things. So now these things are like mathematics. Mathematics is not like you have to revise. Mathematics is like, suppose if I'm giving you any formula, suppose I'm giving you formula like anything is x1 is equal to x1, and then it becomes x equal to x2, and then I'm asking what is the percentage change in x. Then it is a technique, it is a formula, right? In this you don't need any kind of revision. So here what you have to do, only keep revising the formula, right? Suppose when you are going for any chapter called, suppose there are so many questions on train, right? Train and bridge, train is passing the bridge, one train is like this, one train is like this, coming like this. And one more thing, I have already given top 10 questions for the train. Like those top 10 questions on the train you must watch on my YouTube channel. It is already there. Go search the playlist, you will find out the train questions. Top 10 questions are there. Those top 10 questions are very important. If you will finish those 10 questions, that's all. Only that much question you have to finish for the train and pull and this all these things, right? Okay, so some more questions are there. Okay, that is off topic part. Now come to the topic, how will you revise this? So I'm saying this, in aptitude you only have to revise the formula, and how many times you will revise the formula, it depends how fast you are going to cover the syllabus. If you are covering the syllabus, then it depends. Actually this is the memory game, but our core subjects are more about the concept. Our core subjects are more about the concept. Okay, but math formulas are just formulas. Okay, we don't have much concept in that. So math and aptitude, they are just like you have to remember the formulas. Okay, if formulas are done, like for example, if you talk about the engineering mathematics, in that you have a chapter called numerical method. So in numerical method there is no concept, only some basic concepts are there, and then you have formulas. So how long you take, how fast you forget the formulas, based on that you will decide how many times you need revision, right? So like today I am giving you any formula to find out something, and tomorrow I am asking you are forgetting the formula, then you sit and revise. It's not like you have to sit and revise. No, sit, leave and revise. Sit, revise and leave. Sit, revise and leave. Then again next day you try, sit, revise and leave. Sit, revise and leave, like that. So that's what I said. The CBR will help you a lot. Okay, so go to previous video, go for the CBR. So I hope I have explained a few things from my side. And again I am saying, every students are having their own way to prepare, their own way to revise, because we all have come from 0 day to this age in different upbringing styles. Like what was your atmosphere, what was my atmosphere, and what was some others atmosphere. Like every year we have toppers from rank 1 to top 100, right? So if you look the past four years toppers, so you have 4 first rankers, correct? And then you have 400 rankers also. So like there are around 400 students, so they all are in top 100. It means they all have got double digit rank. So these 400 students, do you think they have the same pattern to follow? No, right? So, and but at the same time, if you target if you bother for the top 10 students, for the top 10 students, so there are 40 students from the last 4 years, and of course the next coming 2022 batch toppers in top 10. So their schedule I can crack here. They study so much, minimum 8 hours every day they will sit. And see, if you are a second year student, if you are third year student, I mean if you are taking GATE for the first time just after second year, if you are a fourth year student, if you are final year student, so again it depends how much time you have given. If you have prepared only for 4 months and you are thinking that you should be in top 10, it is not worth. If you have given just 4 months and if you are thinking that I should be in top 99, something like that, no, it's see, what is the main figure you have to touch? Main figure is roughly around 270 hours. This is rough figure I'm talking. If 270 hours of inputs you will give, then like it's like with the help of my video courses you can cover the syllabus. Almost syllabus you can cover if you can give. But covering the syllabus is different. After that you have to practice them, and then you have to check yourself, the revision purpose, all those things. So you should also think that, okay, what was your time and do you have this time or not? So it means what? I don't want to do some bluff here, like okay, if you will start your preparation in December month, then within 30 days you can finish the syllabus, and after that within 15 days you can revise, and in next 15 days you are going to be the topper as the first ranker. All these things are bluff, okay? Luck by chance or by putting extra so much extraordinary effort, if you are coming into top 50, you are amazing. That is different thing, but on average it will not work. So this video motive is how many times which subject you should revise. So first you complete that subject properly, and while completing the subject you should not leave any topic in pending. Complete the subject and then you go for particular revision, whatever I have told you here. So again I'm saying, whatever I have told you here, this may be helpful for you, or you may not feel comfortable with my style. So it's very cool if you are going with your own style of revision, because as I told you, like in all these 400 people, everyone will be having different style to study and revise, right? And now one more thing I want to discuss, okay, that I will discuss in next video. Thank you.